Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Thái An.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, because it's help me. It's mm, yes, because it's uh, I can learn new things in books.
Cool. Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I prefer eating out because I don't know how to cooking.
City or countryside?
Countryside because I like peaceful place.
What is the best thing about your hometown?
The best thing is my hometown is mountain because it had a famous mountain.
Cool. Are computers important to you?
Yes, I think computer is important to me because uh, I I learn new thing in YouTube and play games at it.
Very good. Well done. Thank you, Ang.